What's up, sneaker fam? It's your boy A2K checking in, back with another unboxing video. In this box is 2 pair of new shoes, one for myself, one for my brother. So without further ado, let's open them up. So there we have 2 pair of new shoes. Got some Ralph Lauren boat shoes for myself in the black colorway. And I got some Fred Perry shoes for my brother in the dazzling blue colorway. There we have them. Really bright color. Looks very nice. Then we have my Ralph Lauren boat shoes, all black, matches with a lot of outfits. Very clean shoe, some good quality. Well, that was it for this unboxing video. I hope you liked it. If you did so, please click that like button. Also make sure you subscribe as well, so there's a lot more videos to come. Well, that was it. I'm out. Peace.